Hello, my friends. My name is Steve Maneve with Steve Maneve Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat, sell your boat, and share my knowledge on anything boating. You're going to find what we're going to talk about today pretty interesting if you have an outboard engine Yamaha. I'm going to show you how to easily find when your warranty on your engines expire. Okay, because a lot of you call me all the time and you want to know when your engines expire, and I need the serial number in order to find that out, or I got to go through loops and try to figure it out and call people. All you got to do is find your serial number. Find it from your purchase agreement or something like that, or you can find it on your engine itself, and then you can just go online, even on your phone, and check this out. So check this out. These are the 425s, but Yamaha has a bunch of outboards, and you know that. So it doesn't matter what outboard it is, right? As long as, because they all have this in common, as long as you can find the serial number. Now this is what it should look like more or less on your engines. It's near the bracket where the engines hang on. And you see where B, right here where it says B, that is the beginning of your serial number. So 6D0 and then all the way to, right here. That's your serial number. Okay? So you take that serial number and you would think you have to go to here, which is YamahaOutboards.com, but don't go there because you're gonna rip your hairs out. It's not in there. You can't find anything in there. What you have to do is go here. Yamaha-motor-yes.com. I'll link it below so it'll be easy for you to find. Once you land on this page, which is the YES, which is Yamaha Extended Service, all you have to do is scroll down and put your serial number that you found here in here and hit find eligible plans. Now, people call it VIN, people call it the PID, people call it the primary ID number, which is PID. It doesn't matter. Just put it in here, okay? And then you're going to end up here. This is the page that comes after that. Notice how it'll give you the model now, the name, the description. It's a 2018 425. It'll give you the model number. It'll give you the primary ID, which is the VIN number. I've scratched it out just for national security purposes. And it'll tell you the factory expiration. Now, these are 425 Yamahas, which don't have extended warranty offered just yet. It's a standard 5-year. The 350Cs are also a standard 5-year. Before, they were 3 years, and you can extend them 2 or 3 years out. A good example is with 300s, because they're still selling them. So Yamaha 300s are 3-year warranty standard. But you can extend them 2 or 3 years depending on Yamaha's promotions around that time. Sometimes it's 2 years, sometimes it's 3 years. Okay? Now, if you're eligible for an extension or you have an extended warranty, you're going to see this. Okay? This are, for example, 2015 300 horsepower engines, right? It shows you the factory warranty, but then it shows you that you're covered until, boom, 2021, okay? So, remember, you put your serial number, you find it out. If you're eligible or you have extended warranties, it's going to tell you when you're covered until. If not, then you've got your full 5-year warranty on, let's say, 425s, and it'll tell you up there where it expires. And that's it, my friends. That's it. So hopefully this helped, and you'll be able to easily find out when your warranties expire. Not only that, but if you're eligible, you can call up the number right there that they give you a few times, and you can call them, talk to them, get it. And that's it. Don't forget, take that number, put it in there, and you will get this page. That's it. 3 steps. Find your serial number, go online, and get that. Mercury, you need to do this too. How come? Yamaha, congratulations. You made it really easy for us to find the extended warranty. And trust me, when people go to sell their boat, it's the number one thing brokers like me ask every single time. And it's very easy now to find out with Yamaha. And this has been around for years, okay? My name is Steve Maniv with Steve Maniv Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat, sell your boat, and share my knowledge on anything boating. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. You've earned it. That's great. I think people are going to enjoy this information.